Hello everyone. So when I set any song as your alarm clock on Android device, here's how to do that. So first of all, we gotta locate our clock application. There it is. Alright. Here make sure to choose your alarm and now create alarm or choose an existing one. I'm gonna create a new one. So choose alarm sound, make sure that the switch is set on, and now tap on ringtone. Give all the necessary permissions for phone to operate. Now let's tap plus at the top right corner and choose the desired song. There it is. I'm gonna be using this one. Now press done at the top right corner. So make sure that the song is chosen. Here you can also enable read time and alarm name loud if you want to, and gradually increase volume once again if you want to. I'm gonna enable both of the options. Alright, let's go back. After that, set up your alarm. I'm gonna set it just in a minute so we can try it out. So let's set it on 5:19 p.m. in my case. Here you can also adjust your vibration, your snoozing if you need to, and changing off alarm background, but that's pretty much it. Now press save, and let's wait for our alarm to set in. And once again, make sure that it's turned on. So make sure that the switch is on, just like this. When you're choosing a file, when you're downloading a music file, once again, make sure that it's of a right extension, that it's MP3, WAV, or FLAC. All other ones do not work, so those OGGs would not work. Keep that in mind as well. Basically, that's how it works. So let's press dismiss. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.